In the dense jungles of Central America, the once mighty Maya civilization left behind immense stone temples that have stood the test of time. These towering structures are not only architectural marvels, but they also cradle secrets from a forgotten world, a world where gods, kings, and ceaseless power struggles intertwined. As the modern world buzzes with technological advances, a group of devoted scholars, archaeologists, and adventurers sets out to unearth the mysteries hidden within the temples of Tikal, Palenque, and Copan. Among them is Dr. Maria Santos, a brilliant archaeologist with a personal connection to the Maya ancestry. Her heart yearns to reconnect with her roots, to feel the pulse of the Mayan heart beneath the layers of centuries-old forests. The expedition begins in Tikal, where the team is greeted by the imposing temple of the Great Jaguar. Its silhouette pierces the canopy like a spear aimed at the heavens. Under the morning sun, the temple echoes tales of past grandeur and serves as a staircase to the skies. Dr. Santos and her team seek to uncover not just the structure's secrets, but the whisperings of the lives that built and worshipped upon its stones. Deep within the temple's chambers, echoes of the world echo. Markings, frescoes, and hieroglyphs dance upon the walls. As the team carefully brushes away the dirt of ages, the history comes alive. A detailed inscription reveals a celestial ceremony dedicated to the Mayan gods and the ornate rituals of a warrior king who once ruled these lands. While sifting through the relics, Jake, an enthusiastic young intern, stumbles upon a peculiar stone fresco, intriguingly marked by icons never documented before. It depicts the convergence of two solar deities, signaling a lost prophecy written in the stars. Intrigued by this discovery, Dr. Santos deciphers the remaining symbols. They speak of an ancient alliance between rival kin realms, united under the supernatural dance of the sun and the moon. The journey takes them next to Palenque, where at night, the moon bathes the temple of the inscriptions in an ethereal glow. Known for its intricate hieroglyphs, the temple holds secrets buried alongside its rulers. Within its tomb, they uncover jade masks, precious artifacts that symbolize the power and beliefs once held dear by the Maya. At Copan, the weary adventurers come face to face with the enigmatic staircase laden with glyphs. Among the hieroglyphs, hidden so well, are the untold stories of Maya warfare triumphs, dynastic shifts, and long-forgotten alliances. Dr. Santos, with her heart tied to both past and present, feels the spirits of the ancient Maya guiding her expedition. Determined to preserve this legacy, the team digitally maps the frescoes and temples, capturing the voice of the stones for generations to come. Yet, as each secret unfolds, a new enigma emerges, revealing the vast complexity of the Maya psyche and their connection to the cosmos. Celebrating their findings, the team members gather around a campfire under the starry skies. Dr. Santos reflects on the journey, one of discovery, remembrance, and the unbreakable bond between humanity and history. The secrets of the lost temples have not only deepened her connection to her heritage, but have also ignited a flame of curiosity within all who ventured. The Maya, she realizes, still speak to the world through stone, reminding us ever so gently of our place in the great tapestry of time.